Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then release and remove the upper ball joint on the stabilizer link bar. To do this, take a 16mm spanner and a T30 Torx key. Stop the rotation of the ball joint with the Torx socket and remove the nut using the spanner.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut. Then the sway bar link. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar links. Remove the lug nuts provided with it. Put the sway bar link back in place. Roughly tighten the nuts. Tighten the lug nuts using a 17mm spanner and a Torx T30 key. Tighten the nuts with a Torx spanner. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation completed.